Boys and girls,
Yeah.
how are you? Are we happy? Ebu, show me if you're happy. Ebu, we sing. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Good, boys and girls. Now I can see we are all happy. Which school is this? Which school is this again? Are we going to brush our teeth? How many times? Wow, wonderful. Clap for yourself. Which program is this? Smile Changers Foundation. Healthy smile, healthy future. Yay! I will repeat. When I say smile changers, you say healthy smile, healthy future. Sawa? Smile changers.
Healthy
Yay! Hi, and now we repeat. Smile changers. Healthy smile, healthy future. Yay!
Listen to your children. We are the future generation. If you're silver and gold, just give us science education. Gold is good. Silver is good. They are not my pride. My pride is education. Education is my pride. Gold is good. Silver is good. They are not my pride. My pride is education. Education is my pride. Are we together? Shake your body. Shake your feet. Touch your neighbor. The Bible to read is a Bible. The Bible to read is a Bible. If you read it every day, it will guide you on your way. The Bible to read is a Bible. The Bible to read is a Bible.
My name is John. I'm going to show you how to brush. You first start with the outside parts. And then you open your mouth, and then you wash, and then you brush the lower jaws, and you brush the lower jaws, just the upper jaws, just like the lower arms. You wash your tongue, and then you drink water, you spit.
Hi, Ella.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
What's the name of your school?
Damacrest groups of school.
Wow, you do love your school.
Yes.
Tell me why you love your school.
Because it has nice teachers and they are all kind.
Wow, you have nice teachers and they're all kind.
Yes.
Wow, I also love your teachers. Tell me today, what have you learned?
How to brush our teeth.
Who taught you?
Smile Changers Foundation.
Wow, tell me, what did you learn today?
How to brush our teeth.
You learned how to brush your teeth.
Yes.
Abu, tell me, when you went to the dentist, what happened?
My teeth got removed, and then the dentist told me that when I remove teeth, my teeth grow and then they'll become better.
Wow. Do you still eat sweets?
Not that much.
Oh, you don't eat sweets?
Yes.
Wow, thank you, Ella. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Jaden.
Tell me about your school. What's the name of your school?
Democrats group of schools.
Wow. Do you like your school?
Yes.
Why do you like your school?
Because it has good teachers, and the teachers they teach us.
The teachers are good.
Yes.
Wow, that's why they invited us today to come and teach you how to take care of your teeth.
Yes.
Tell me, when you went to the dentist, what did the dentist tell you?
The dentist had removed my teeth, and he said that it will grow a new and better one.
Oh, was it painful?
No.
Did you feel pain?
Yes.
Did you cry?
No.
So you'll be telling your friends to visit your dentist?
Yes.
Wow, wonderful. What's your name, my friends? What's your name?
And Ramani.
Wow, hi Amani. What's the name of your school?
Damacrest group of
Do
schools.
you like your school?
Yes.
Why do you like your school?
Because it has nice teachers and it has nice playing fields.
Wow, wonderful. I also like your school. Ebu, tell me, have you ever visited a dentist?
No.
You've never?
Yes.
Why?
Because see, my dad is the one who removes my teeth.
Your dad is a dentist.
No, but he knows how to remove my teeth.
Oh, and who is a dentist?
And nobody? Nobody?
Nobody's a dentist.
Yes.
So you don't know who is a dentist?
I know.
Who's a dentist?
Somebody who takes care of our teeth.
Somebody who does what?
Somebody who removes our teeth and
Now, somebody who removes your teeth.
yeah.
Wow. So when you go home today, you tell mommy and daddy to take you to a dentist.
Yes.
And you, my friend, what's your name?
My name is Jason Bahati.
What's the name of your school?
My school is called Damacrest Group of Schools.
What do you like about your school?
It has good teachers. It has good friends, and it has a good principal.
Wow, you have a good principal. What's the name of your principal?
Teacher Judy.
Teacher Judy is the best.
Yes.
Tell Teacher Judy something.
Okay. Teacher Judy, we love you, and thank you for giving us a good school.
Wow, wonderful. Are you going to tell Teacher Judy to invite the small changers again?
Yes.
Tell Teacher Judy, and you tell Teacher Judy what you've learned today.
Okay. I've learned about brushing my teeth and
how to take care of your teeth, how to brush your teeth the right way, the good foods. Have you ever visited a dentist?
yes, many times.
Many times. Wow, wonderful. What did the dentist tell you?
He told me that when I eat too much sweets, the teeth will get out. But when I don't, it will just stay permanent. And I have to brush my teeth well so they cannot be yellowish.
Wow, wonderful. I like that.